Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your eye shade in Dress to Impress in custom makeup. So I know this doesn't work like immediately. It is a little bit annoying to do, honestly, if you want to have a different eye shade on your eyes. Basically, you'll need to use these eyes first. You're going to click on this and you're just going to change your eye color and just leave it. And then under eye shading, here is where you can actually change the eye shade of the rest of the eyes. For some reasons it doesn't work if you change it on the rest. It works if you change it on here first, and then if you go back to this area, you'll see that the eye shading is already like black. You can also change it on this one, I think. If there's 3 toggles on it, I think you're able to, but if there's 2, you can't change the eye shading here. But as you can see, it is changed to the color that I want. It is a little bit tedious to do, but if there's 3 toggles to the eyes, you're able to change the shading. If there's only 2, you're not able to for some reasons. Like here, I can't change the eye shading, but on the rest I can. So if you want to change the color of your eye shading, you have to go to these first. Go to the third one and change the eye shading here. So for instance, I want maybe like a blue. So I'll go back and the rest will have that eye shade. For some like strange reasons that works. For some strange reason, not reasons. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.